MyViewBoard allows us to create hyperlinks with text, images, shapes, and other figures. To do that, simply click on the image, text, or shape with which you would like to create a hyperlink. As you click on it, there are multiple options towards the right. Click on Link. Now, this is the link option. This will help you to create a hyperlink with the image, text, or shape. To do that, so the first one says select a file. So if you want any file to be used as a hyperlink, click on this image search, click the thing that you want and click on hyperlink. In case I would like to use some Google reference, some URL or website address, click on this web page, enter the URL and click on link. I can also create some text strings. I can add some music to my hyperlink, or I can also refer it with some page number. For instance, with this hyperlink, I would like to go to page number 2. So I can refer it to page number 2, or probably add another tool from these options here. So right now I would like to use this URL. Let me write viewsonic.com and click on link. Now, as you can see, there is a hyperlink which has been created here. As soon as I click here, the website of Viewsonic will appear on my screen. So in this way, you can create hyperlinks on myViewBoard.